Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to install a Cliniq WordPress theme in my demo website. So first of all, we need to log in into website. Here you can add /wp-admin. So after that, here you can add username and password to log in into your WordPress website. Now the next step is, here you can go to settings, then permalinks, scroll down, make sure that you have selected this one, scroll down and click here save changes. So now you can get the theme from here, Cliniq WordPress theme. So this one is the official website. You can also scroll down and here you can find out this theme on the themeforest.net. So after getting the WordPress theme file, let me go back to my laptop and then open the theme folder. This one is the zip file. Let me show you. Properties.zip. After that, here you can extract this zip file, and inside this file, here you can see this one is the single file, so we don't need to use any other files. So just we need to upload this file directly into WordPress. Here you can go back to the themes and after that click here add theme, then upload theme file. Now here I can drag this file, then click on install button. Now theme is installed. Here you can see this one, activate button, click here. Now we got notification to install these plugins, click here. Here you can install these plugins one by one. If you want to install all of the plugins in one click, then you can use this one, bulk feature, then click on apply button. Now again click here install plugins, then again select this one, activate, then apply. So now all of the plugins are installed. Next, here you can find out tools, this one, and then this one, import. Okay, now we need to follow these 4 steps. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the default values. So it requires 4000 and this one should be at least 1200. Now let's go back to the web hosting. I'm using Bluehost. Then scroll down, click here manage. Then scroll down. Here see cPanel. Search for PHP ini editor, this one. And here I have multiple websites, so let me select this website. Let me scroll down and find out the website that we have recently used. So this one. After that scroll down. Here we need to change the values. And also change these values. After that, click here apply button. Now let's go back and then reload this page. Okay, that's fine. Then click here start import process. Here we have 3 different demos, so let me select this one, then click here continue and import this demo, then click here start import. Demo is imported. Then click here select home page, and here you can see these are the 4 different home page designs. So now let me select this one, then scroll down and click here set this home page. So all is done. Now we can visit the website, then again reload this page. Okay, here you can see a professional and responsive design and layout. So if you are planning to build a website for your medical as well as hospital, then you can use this one, this theme. So now you can easily change any of the text here. Simply you can click here, and after that you can add your own text. For example, get quick medical services, and then click here cross button. After that, here you can see these are different buttons. Click here save changes. So that's fine. Here you can check all of the pages. Now if you want to change this logo, then you can simply go to this one, theme customizer, and here you can find out different options such as header and footer, site identity, general settings, and many more. Click here header and footer. So here you can select and manage the logo size. After that, click here site identity. Here you can add the site icon that is available on the top, then general settings, and here you can change the logo image. Simply you can upload your own logo file. After that, if you want to change anything this menu, then simply you can go back to the menu page. Here you can add any of the page. For example, you can select this one, home 4, then click add to menu. Here you can see page is added. After that, you need to click on save menu button. So if you want to delete anything, then you can use this one, remove.